There, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you on how you can add a featured channel section on your YouTube channel. It's quite easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go onto your YouTube channel. Once you go onto your YouTube channel, you're going to click on Customize Channel. From there, you're going to be sent to YouTube Studio. So you can also go to YouTube Studio and then click on the customization button right here, but it's just easier to click one button. So then you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to the featured sections part. You're going to click on add section. Now, as you can see, I already added it, but I'm just going to go ahead and remove the section. So I'm going to click on add section. I'm going to go all the way to the very bottom here and click on featured channels. Then I can name my section. Then I can search up the channel. So I'll quickly search up a few.
One eternity later.
So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I can move the channels around. So in case I want to, I can do that. So I'm gonna click done once I'm done adding all the channels. Now before you close the tab or close your computer, you want to make sure to click publish. If you don't, then it's not going to save and you'll have to redo it. So I'm going to go ahead and click publish right here, and there we go, it's published. And I'll just quickly go to my channel here and I will reload the page, and over here I'll see it here, and I can use this button right here to scroll through it. In case I want to move it around, so maybe it's before the multiple playlist, then I can do that, and then I will click publish again, and I'll go to my channel here, and there, it's changed. So boom, boom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this helps you, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.